Hi, it's Brad. Even though we are in the sun belt of the Olympic National Mountains and Sequim is the rain shadow of Washington, we are overcome by a little bit of a groundwater running through here. It just makes it very difficult to work on the prototype and proceed. So we're dismantling it and reassembling it and adding it to prototype number 2. Eight by 8 units. They're 4-foot panels. They can be assembled in any length you want. And then you can knock out the sides and put in doors and add a unit that way and a unit this way. But a lot more to come. Hopefully more units as well.